Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this and they needed some help. Basically the black looks like it's on top of the yellow because there's some yellow showing at the bottom. He told me it was 123 centimeters, so I made my circle 123 centimeters. And we need to get, there's 54 of these black blocks. So let's get a 2-point line. Start moving and hold it down the control button and get a perpendicular line, then hit P, put on the key, put it in the center of the page. And because it's a line, you don't have to move the rotation, you just have to double click on it. Now we need to rotate this thing 3.333 degrees. I didn't make a duplicate of it. So let's put it back to 0 on the duplicate. And now we have that spot. Now let's take our Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now we can go ahead and get rid of our lines. And now we need to take this and double click on it. And that's why I have the indexing lines in the center of the page. Then we need to go up to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. And in some versions it's going to say Transformation. Get to the rotation. Now we need to rotate it. It's actually 6.66666 degrees. And we need 53 of them because of the fact that we already have one and there's 54 of them, and you get that. So what we did, we doubled the space. Now I'm going to take try to grab the outside circle, and I'm going to change my nudge factor. Well, let's just see. I'm not used to working with centimeter. It's 120 centimeter. Well, that's what we knew. So make it 130. And let's nudge this out of the way. And then let's get the inside line and nudge it out of the way. Now let's Smart Fill this in with a yellow. Let's go ahead and take away our lines. So we're going to select it all and right click No Fill. Then we're going to nudge it back over and we're going to go to Object, Order, back a page, and there you have that. Now, the text will be easy. Just put it in the center of the page with that same yellow. And mine aren't showing any yellow beyond it, but I think that actually looks better, and it might just be the fuzziness of the picture. I think this would be the way you'd want to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.